Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Tori. Begin by washing and peeling the tori, then slice it into thin lengthwise pieces to cook evenly. Heat a pan with oil, add mustard seeds and cumin until they pop, then toss in the tori and spices. Stir regularly on medium heat until tender, squeeze lemon and garnish with cilantro for a bright finish to serve warm. Peeling and slicing the tori properly makes or breaks the texture of the dish. Use a sharp knife and remove any tough fibers, then cut into consistent strips about 3 to 4 inches long. Lightly salt and rest to remove extra water, then pat dry to avoid oil splatter. Cooking dry, evenly cut pieces gives a tender yet slightly crisp finish once you sauté with spices and aromatics. Use a warm pan and build flavor by tempering whole spices first, then adding ground spices to bloom in the oil. Toss the tori into the spiced oil and stir to coat every strip, then cover to steam briefly so it becomes tender. Uncover and sauté a bit longer to evaporate moisture and create slight browning. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and fresh cilantro to lift the flavors before plating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.